Hello everyone, I'm Prem Kumar. Welcome to Math G Academy. Today I'm going to discuss with you very interesting questions, number of real solutions of the equation. These kind of questions, what you can do, just you take the parabola, left side here, right side will be minimum of these two functions. You can draw the graph separately and where these two graphs intersecting, that is the solutions. Okay, let's draw the graph of the left side. X square plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0, right? So first thing you can see where this graph is crossing the x-axis. X-axis crossing means it is solution, right? You factorize this is 2x plus x plus 2 equal to 0. If I take x common, x plus 2 plus 1 if you take common, therefore x plus 2 into x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2, minus 1 are the solutions, right? Okay. So what you can do, the next thing, where this graph is crossing the y-axis, that means y-intercept. So how to calculate y-intercept? Put x is equal to, let's take this as y. Put x is 0, then y will be 2. So the y-intercept is 0, 2. Okay, fine. Then how to find the vertices? Vertex, how to calculate? So you know the vertex is formula, right? Minus b by 2a minus d by 4a, right? So what is a here? 1, b is 3, c is 2, right? So what is minus 3 by 2? So minus d, b square minus 4ac. If you multiply minus inside, so 4ac minus b square by 4a, right? So vertex will be minus 3 by 2, 4 into 1 into c is 2, right? Minus b is 3, 3 square is 9 divided by 4, right? So therefore the vertex is, what is the vertex? Minus 3 by 2, comma 8 minus 9 minus 1 by 4, right? Minus 1 by 4. So you can draw the graph. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay. Where this graph is crossing x-axis, you can see minus 2 and minus 1, right? And where this graph is crossing the y-axis, 0, 2. So the graph will be like this. So it will be going like this, right? This is your y-intercept. So this is your vertices, minus 3 by 2, minus 1 by 4, right? This is the vertex of the parabola. Okay, fine. Okay. So let's draw the second one, that is right side graph. Okay, what is the right side graph is given to you? Mod minimum of mod x minus 3. Just you can take minimum of mod x minus 3 and mod x plus 2, right? Check it once. Mod x minus 3, mod x plus 2, right? Okay. You already know that how to draw the graph of mod x minus 3, right? Just this is the graph of mod x. Just shift to right 3 units, right? Mod x minus 3. Just write 3 units. Right, you can shift right 3 units. This is y is equal to mod x minus 3. Okay. Then how to draw the graph of mod x plus 2? Just you can shift the graph left 2 units. Let's take this as 2. It's minus 2 here. Just left 2 units you can shift. Okay. These two graphs, the breaking point is minus 2 and minus 3, and one more point is there. This is point of intersection of these two curves, right? So let us find out that one. What is that point? So what we can do, just equate these two curves, right? X plus 2. Now you can squaring on both sides. So why I'm explaining, some of the students are facing difficulty how to describe the graph, redefine the graph, right? For that only I'm explaining step by step. Just you can squaring on both sides. What will get? So mod x minus 3 whole square is equal to mod x plus 2 whole square. You already know that mod x square equivalently, right? X square. So therefore x minus 3 whole square is equal to x plus 2 whole square. Fine. Now you can see if you expand it, x square plus 9 minus 6x equal to here x square plus 4 plus 2 into 2 is 4x, x square cancel. You send everything one side, minus 4x equal to 0, 9 minus 4 is 5, minus 10x equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 5 by 10, it is 1 times here 2 times, 1 by 2 is the point which these two curves are meeting, right? This is 1 by 2, okay, fine. So now you just take a number line, you just represent those points, breaking points. What is that? Minus 2, here 1 by 2, this is 3. So now the whole real number is breaking into less than minus 2 to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 to 3, it's more than 3. Okay, let me check the first, if x is less than minus 2. In this interval, which is the minimum you have to check? Just you check x minus 3, adding minus 3 on both sides, definitely less than 0. If you add plus 2 on both sides, x plus 2 also less than 0, right? So therefore, mod x minus 3, how to write? Minus of x minus 3, this is 3 minus x. So x plus 2 negative means mod x plus 2, how to write? It's minus x plus 2, it's same as minus x minus 2. Okay, good. So therefore, in this interval, what is the minimum? Minimum of mod x minus 3, mod x plus 2, how to write? So which is the minimum here? So you check. Let me take one point. Let's take minus 3 you can take. If you put minus 3 over here, just you can put minus 3, 3 minus of minus 3, that will be 6. If I take this function, if I put minus 3 minus of minus 3 minus 2, that is 3 minus 2, it is 1, right? So 3 minus 2, it's 1. The minimum will be mod x plus 2. Mod x plus 2. Understood? So therefore, not only minus, you take any number less than minus 2, so minimum will be mod x plus 2. So here mod x plus 2 is negative, therefore you can redefine this one minus x minus 2. Okay, this is the first one. Second one, what you can do? Second one, if I take, this is first one. Second one, if I take minus 2 to 1 by 2. So in this interval, x minus 3, x minus, adding minus 3 on both sides. So definitely negative, right? So therefore, mod x minus 3, how to define? So 3 minus x, right? Okay, fine. So what about x plus 2? Adding 2 on both sides, definitely positive. Adding 2, right? Adding 2, you'll get positive. So therefore, mod x plus 2, you can write as x plus 2. Right, it's a positive, no? So you can pick one number, minus 2 to 1 by 2. Which number you can take? Let's take 0. Let's take 0. Put 0 here. 3 minus 0, it will be 3. Here is 3 plus 2, it will be 5, right? So I'm taking 0 only, no? Sorry. So you have to take 0, right? Yes, you can take 0. So 0 plus 2, it is 2. So in this case also, the minimum will be what? Mod x plus 2 only, right? So minimum of mod x minus 3, mod x plus 2, the minimum is what? Mod x plus 2 only, because this is the smallest, right? So this is positive, therefore x plus 2 we can write. Okay. Let's define the 1 by 2 to 3. Next interval is, this is second one, right? The second one. Let's do the third one is what? 1 by 2 to 3. So third one is, if I take 1 by 2 to 3, right? Yes. 1 by 2 to 3 you have to take. So now you can check x minus 3. x minus 3 you can add minus 3 on both sides. So definitely it will be negative, right? 1 by 2 minus 3. Yes, it is negative, right? So you can see adding minus 3 definitely negative. So therefore mod x minus 3 is, you can define as 3 minus x. What about x plus 2? You can add 2 on both sides, definitely positive, right? This is mod x plus 2, you can write as x plus 2, right? Now you can check any number. Let me take 1. Let's take x equal to 1. 3 minus 1 equal to, so it is 2. Here is 1. Just I'm taking x equal to 1, right? 1 plus 2 will be 3. So in this case, what is the minimum? This one, right? So therefore, minimum of mod x minus 3 mod x plus 2. What is the minimum here? Mod x minus 3, right? So therefore, it is mod x minus 3 negative. Therefore, you can write 3 minus x. Okay, good. This is third one done. Fourth one you can check here. If you take x is greater than 3, right? If you take x is greater than 3, you can check x minus 3. X minus 3 can add minus 3 is greater than 0. Therefore, mod x minus 3 you can write as x minus 3, right? X plus 2, you can add 2 on both sides. That is also positive. Therefore, mod x plus 2 you can write x plus 2. Let's check one number. Let's take 4. Let's take 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Here is 4 plus 2 will be 6. So which is the minimum here? I'm just taking x is equal to 4, right? Yes, 1. So minimum here is the minimum of mod x minus 3 mod x plus 2. The minimum here is what? Mod x minus 3 only. This is positive, mod x minus 3 positive, therefore you can write x minus 3. Okay, so we redefine this function quickly, right? How to redefine this? So f of x here, you can write the minimum. First interval is what? When x is less than minus 2, less than minus 2, if x is less than minus 2, so which is the minimum here? The minimum here is, what is that? Minus x minus 2, right? Minus x minus 2. If x is minus 2, right? Yes, check once. X is less than minus 2, minus x minus 2. Second one you can see, what is the minimum? When you take minus 2 to 1 by 2. Minus 2 to 1 by 2. In this interval, which is the minimum? X plus 2, right? X plus 2. Okay, fine. If you take 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 to, let me take this one quickly. Let's take this one. 1 by 2 to, next is interval is what? 3. In this interval, which is the minimum? Minus x plus 3. You can see here, third one. Fourth one, if x is greater than 3, x is greater than or equal to 3, which is the minimum here? X minus 3. Yes, x minus 3. Okay. So how to draw the graph? Just you can draw the graph quickly. So I will take another page. Okay. Otherwise, you can check here quickly. So when you take x is less than minus 2 and minus 2 to 1 by 2 here, 1 by 2 to 3 and more than 3. Okay. If I take x is less than minus 2, minus x minus, you know, minus x graph is negative slope. It just shifted 2 units down, right? Minus x minus 2. And when you take minus 2 to 1 by 2, x plus 2, you know, y is equal to x passing through the origin, positive slope, just shifted 2 units down. Okay, if I put minus 2 here, what will get? 0. Minus 2, 0. Okay, fine. But you shifted 2 units up, right? Sorry, I said down. So x plus 2 means what? just whatever y is equal to x is this, shift to 2 units up. So it will be crossing, put x is 0 here. X is 0 means 2, right? So there is 0 comma 2 here. Let's take 1 by 2. If you put 1 by 2 plus 2 is what? 5 by 2, it is 2.5 here. Let's take here, it's 2.5. The graph will be like this. Okay. Let's take 1 by 2 to 3, you can take 1 by 2 to 3 minus x plus 3, minus x graph this one, plus 3 unit you can shift up, right? The graph will be, let's take, if you put 3, it's 0. Then this graph will be like this. Okay. Just y is equal to minus x is, just shifted 3 units up. Okay. Then if x is greater than 3, so x minus 3, just a y is equal to x graph is there, just 3 units down. 3 units down means you can graph is like this, right? This is the graph. Okay, fine. Okay, so now you can draw the graph of the left side. You already know that the graph will be intersecting at minus 2, minus 1. The vertices will be minus, what is the vertices here? Minus 3 by 2, minus 1 by 4, right? Let's take here, the graph is going like this, right? This graph is like this, right? So you can see the graph is intersecting at 2 points. This is minus 3 by 2 comma minus 1 by 4, right? Just you can check here is 1 minute. You can see the y-intercept of the parabola is 0 comma 2, no? So that means it will be intersecting at this point, right? The graph will be like this. It will be going like this, right? Okay, this point is what? Minus 3 by 2 comma minus 1 by 4. So therefore the number of intersections will be what? The graph will be intersect at 2 points, right? Clearly understood? So therefore number of solutions of the equation is what? The 2. These kind of questions, what you can do? Just you draw this separately. So where these two graphs are intersecting, that is the number of solutions. Okay. Therefore, what is the answer for this question? Number of real solution is 2. Okay. So you can find out what are those solutions where these two curves are intersecting. You can find out quickly, right? So where these two curves are intersecting. They're asking number of solution only. You don't need to find out what exact solutions. Okay. So you can easily find out. Okay, you can do it yourself. So the number of solution is 2. Okay. So thank you everyone. If you like this video and you can like this channel, you can subscribe to your friends and share to your friends. So you can enter into my channel. Definitely you can learn a lot of things. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you.